It's Dr. Kelly from Iowa Family Chiropractic. I want to show you what we do here in our clinic. Come on in. So the first person you'll see is one of our amazing assistants. These guys are truly awesome. If you need anything at all, they are your go-to people. Okay, come on back here. So we do see a lot of pregnant women, and people want to know kind of what to expect when they come in. I have a lot of people asking me simply, how am I going to get adjusted? How am I going to lay down on a table? So here's how we do it. We have these special pillows. They have a hole cut out in the center so you can lay on your stomach. And if you're pregnant already, you know how good it feels to lay down on your stomach. So we can actually stack these up as you progress through your pregnancy. Really good news for moms of multiples also. We do adapt the way we adjust during pregnancy, so it's very gentle, very comfortable, and completely safe for both you and your baby. Okay, come on over here. And you'll see too, we have another type of pillow. This is more specific for postpartum and breastfeeding moms, so you can also get adjusted postpartum. You'll see also we have a lot of stuff for kids here. We have toys around the office. We have a little play area back over here. Sometimes parents are concerned about bringing a child in with them when they're here for their care. You don't have to worry about that here. We love having kids in the office. Like I said, we have a play area, we have a coloring table, we have snacks, and we always have someone available to help entertain if needed. Okay, come on over here. So back here is one of our consultation rooms. You'll actually come in here to meet with a doctor and sit down and really talk about your current health condition, any pregnancy related problems. And this is where we really talk about, what do we need to do to get you feeling amazing and make it so you can actually enjoy your pregnancy. After you sit down and talk to a doctor, they'll do an exam. So we're gonna head back to the evaluation room. So you'll come in here with one of the doctors. You'll see this x-ray machine behind me. Don't worry about that. We do not x-ray pregnant moms. We actually have a set of tests that are specifically for pregnancy. So we look at things like your posture, your muscle balance, your nerve control, and even your body's stress response. Those are all really vital things during pregnancy. Okay, I want to take you upstairs so you can see our wellness center. That's where we do acupuncture. So come on up. Oh, and actually, I wanted to show you this too. This is just something fun that we do in the office for pregnant moms, where we can actually track where you are in your pregnancy and see how big your baby is and watch them as they grow. So you can see our moms that are currently getting adjusted, and we have some that are about ready to have their baby soon. Okay, come on upstairs. We have 2 acupuncture suites up here, and it's really nice and quiet in our wellness center, so you won't have the hustle and bustle of what's going on downstairs. You can actually relax up here. I can attest firsthand, I've been through 2 pregnancies myself. Acupuncture during pregnancy is amazing. I always look forward to my appointments. I found that acupuncture and chiropractic combined made me feel just great during my pregnancy. Now, if you're concerned about needles, there's also needle-less acupuncture, so literally anyone can do this, and I promise you, you're gonna love it.